with Sam. Today I will be teaching you how to make your own pH paper. To make this pH paper, all you need is red or purple cabbage, some water, some coffee filter or normal filters, and a blender. The first thing to do is chop the red cabbage. When you're chopping red cabbage, just be careful with your fingers because this is dangerous. Now we are going to blend the cabbage. So I've got my blender, which is a food processor, doesn't matter what type. So now we are going to start the blending process. I'm going to add some water into the red cabbage now, so here it goes. Now I have to hand blend this. With this hand blender, I'm going to make it into a really smooth paste. Now I've got my smooth paste, I'm going to put it into the microwave till it boils or you see steam coming up. The red cabbage is nearly boiling, so I'm going to give it around about another minute. I have got my red cabbage here, which has boiled. So now I'm going to extract the liquid out of the paste. I've filtered it now. I am going to put the juice into a coffee filter, so I'm double filtering it. Now I'm going to soak my pH papers in red cabbage juice and put them in here to dry. Now we have to leave my pH paper to dry before we can do the tests. While I was letting my paper dry, something weird happened. I had a normal piece of paper which was covered in a purplish colour. That purplish colour, after a few minutes, turned into a blue. What that meant is there was traces of a weak alkali around. The same happened with my other pieces of paper which I dried on a drying rack. My prediction what happened was that when you clean your washing board, soap has alkali in it. That's what my prediction what happened. And I pulled that one off and straight away you can start to see traces of blue, which means there must be traces of alkali here. I'm now going to test for an acid with the paper which has alkali on. It should turn red. What do you know? It turns red. That means that a lemon, like we all know, is an acid. I've got vinegar now. So with my pH paper, I am going to put it into vinegar and see what colour it turns. Like my lemon, it turns the same colour, which means it's an acid. I have another piece of paper of my pH paper. We've tested vinegar, which is an acid, and a lemon, which is an acid. Now I'm going to try a neutral. I wonder what colour it will turn. As we shown in the acid that it turns pink, it stays the same colour. The reason why is because it's just neutral. There's no acid and there's no alkali. So that proves that my experiment was a success. Thank you for watching, everybody. You try this at home.